windshield again, loads of bugs. On my last video I couldn't make a exit. Actually the video ended suddenly because my phone collapsed from the windshield. So sorry about that. On the road I can't edit that much my videos, and I hope you don't mind, yeah? Oh my god, the windshield looks like not nice. Let's try to wash it a bit, yeah? Not doing much. Oh, it's worse now. Nice. Oh my god, what I did. So I think that ends my video. Kenora, next time I'll show you Kenora. Yeah? Let's see, let's try. The truck didn't change. Shift the gear. My god. Oh no. So the windshield is unbelievable. So as I was saying in my last video, now this truck didn't shift the gear. So it's on drive. Automatic, not manual, and didn't shift. I shifted myself. Guys, US guys, Canadian guys, what trucks do you have here? Rubbish. Let's try again. I did it, and I'm not going to stop now to wash the windshield. Maybe I can change the position. What to say? Try. Okay. Huh? It's bad. I'll try to wash it again. Don't care. Finally, far side of him. Not even the windshield solution. And now it stopped working. So I put loads of... No. Huh? It's doable. Maybe. At some point, yeah. Okay. So, lifetime situations in Kenora. Windshield like on the road. Let's do a zoom. Oh my god. When the sun hits the windshield, you can't see anything. That's not nice because Kenora region is really nice. Nice lakes, nice rocky hills. I don't want to tell you and say just bad things. I wanted to show you the nice things too, but you see how the universe is not collaborating with me and doesn't show the face to Canada. Doesn't show his face to Canada. So, let's talk if you want and comment down below about English language required for truck drivers to drive in the US. What do you think that it will happen in the US with the truck drivers and in Canada for those ones that they are doing US to Canada long haul, like me, for example? What do you think that will going to happen? I think that lots of companies from the US, especially US, will be in trouble. Lots of companies from the US, they will not be able to have drivers anymore. I just spoke with a friend from US that lots of Eastern European companies that they are operating in the US, like Ukrainian companies, Polish companies, Bulgarian companies, maybe even Romania. I know a Romanian company, ProSport is called, maybe you saw the trucks on the road. They are located in Chicago area. They have many trucks, as I know. I wanted to work for them, but I need a US CDL, so I can't work for them or be an owner operator. That was the idea. And I think they will be in trouble because they have for sure financed trucks. Yeah, financed trucks to pay the payments, to meet the payments anymore, because they are not doing business without drivers. I don't know what will be the impact, and I heard that starting from July, the DOT officers will be able to put you out of service if actually you don't know English, you don't speak English. What can I say? I just can say that I'm so happy about that, and finally maybe the things will turn good for truck drivers, because in Canada and the US this job is not that good paid anymore, because before lots of guys that jumped from a horse straight to a truck came in the industry. Yeah, those flip-flops drivers, those ones that always you see them in the truck stops, they are washing like in ganja, you know, ganja. So not all of them are like that. Don't get me wrong. I spoke with some nice Indian guys, truck drivers, that they were ashamed as well about those ones that jumped from the horse straight to the truck. I met once an Indian truck driver. He was doing long haul from US to Canada. I met him in Nogales, Arizona, just at the border with Mexico, and he was telling me that he had some not nice emotions for those ones that came in the last 3-5 years and fucked up everything. He said that he was a truck driver in India too, so he didn't just came here and become a truck driver all of a sudden. Yeah. Oh my God! I hope I don't look. My sun is hitting my face and I can see myself. It's right. So that's the situation. And comment down below what you think that it will going to happen with the industry after July, when US will impose those language comment, like, stay tuned. Bye.